Hey, you might not know who I am, but I'm the guy who's going to help you save a lot of money when it comes time to purchase your Sanlorenzo yacht. And how do I do that, you might ask? Well, I do that by analyzing the numbers and making sure you have all the information in front of you when making any sort of buying decision. So getting right into what's important, there's 3 numbers that you need to know when buying any Sanlorenzo yacht. And the first is the number 10. 10 months is the amount of time it typically sells a Sanlorenzo yacht to sell from the time it's listed on the market to the closing of the sale. You're going to know if your Sanlorenzo has been on the market for longer than 10 months, you're going to have that much more leverage over the seller and the broker, because the broker is going to be in danger of losing their listing to another brokerage. You're going to be able to recognize a sense of urgency that you might not see when a boat is new to the market. The second number you need to know is the number 14.29. 14.29 is the percentage at what a Sanlorenzo typically sells below its listed value. So if you go ahead and strike 14.29% right from the list value of the Sanlorenzo you're looking at, that's going to give you a really reliable and accurate target price point to acquire your Sanlorenzo. And the third number you need to know, the most important one that no salesman ever wants you to know, is the recent sale price, or what actual buyers have paid for that Sanlorenzo or similar Sanlorenzos before you. A seller can ask whatever they want, and this is always a very high number, artificially inflated to be high to beef up commissions and to return maximum value to sellers. But this hurts buyers. It tricks them into overpaying. So as a real world example, take a look at a 2007 Sanlorenzo 108 currently listed for $4 million. But what a smart Sanlorenzo buyer knows, because you watched this video and you have access to the same database that I have, is that back in 2014, a 2007 Sanlorenzo 108 sold for 3.8. So when you add depreciation, market competition, and a bunch of other factors, this drops your ceiling down in your negotiation and puts the leverage back in your favor. Of course, on top of these numbers, you're going to find it really beneficial to know what Sanlorenzos of the exact model and year you're looking to purchase have been selling for in reality. So, you're going to go ahead and fill out the form below this video to get all the information you need, and we're going to make sure you never overpay for your Sanlorenzo so you can enjoy it more on board with your family and friends. Again, I'm Chris Mortimer, the Yacht Hunter of www.theyachthunter.com. I'd love it if you subscribe to my channel for other great purchasing insights, and make sure you fill out that form so we can help you out. Thanks so much for watching. Happy yachting, my friend.